Adobe Illustrator CC 101, Adobe Illustrator CC software download. Adobe Illustrator CC is a widely used vector graphics software with a range of features for creating and editing vector artwork. Here's an overview of its features, cons, known issues and fixes, pro tips for usage, and alternatives. Features asterisk, vector design tools, create logos, icons, drawings, typography, and complex illustrations. Pen tool, precise control over creating and editing paths. Type tools, advanced typography options with a vast font library. Artboards, work on multiple canvases in a single document. Image trace, convert raster images to editable vectors. Plugins and integration, extend functionality with third-party plugins and integration with other Adobe software. Cons asterisk, learning curve, can be steep for beginners. Subscription model, requires a monthly subscription, which can be costly over time. Performance, may require a powerful computer for smooth operation. Known issues and fixes asterisk, crash issues, crashes on Mac OS Ventura can be fixed by updating to Mac OS Ventura 13.3. Retype issues, on Windows, install English OCR to use retype in non-English locales. 3D effects limitations, real-time preview requires a GPU, stacking multiple 3D effects is not supported. Pro tips for usage asterisk, customize toolbar, tailor the toolbar to fit your workflow for efficiency. Use shortcuts, learn and use keyboard shortcuts to speed up your design process. Regular updates, keep the software updated to avoid known issues and benefit from the latest features. Alternatives asterisk, Affinity Designer, a one-time purchase alternative with comparable features. Inkscape, a free and open-source vector graphics editor. CorelDRAW, a powerful vector graphics tool with a perpetual license option. For more detailed information, you can refer to Adobe's official documentation or seek tutorials from trusted sources in the design community. Remember, the best tool for you will depend on your specific needs, budget, and level of expertise. Always consider trying out different software to find the one that best suits your workflow.